Good evening, everyone. NightingaleNJ Elder Care Navigators are proud to be honored as Outstanding Community Partner alongside Norris McLaughlin and also Alpine Business Systems. We'd like to thank the Adult Day Center for Diane. For Kelly and I would also like to give a big thanks to our family, whose love and encouragement. And Misty Norway is a lot more comfortable sitting down there. I just want to let everyone know. Entitled us to make the transition of being able to change our philosophy of what if to why not, so we can be able to best serve our community in ways more meaningful than we ever imagined. We are also grateful for our team who fully embrace our mission, your voice heard, to bring power, control, dignity, and peace of mind throughout the aging process to our elders and their families every single day. Finally, we'd like to thank all of you. I look out there, I see small businesses, I see corporate entities, not-for-profits, individuals of all walks of life. Believe together that we can make the county and beyond better for all vulnerable Somerset County residents. We're all a patch in the tapestry of what makes this community amazing.
But I swear I'm brief. Just a couple of statistics from studies. 87% of elders want to age in their homes. Elders are 5 times more likely to be worried about being a burden to their families than they are about dying. They are more than twice as likely to be worried about being a burden to their families than protecting their assets. The Adult Day Center is an under-recognized, I should say, and underutilized resource that is an answer to these statistics. They provide affordable care during daytime hours, which offers loved ones an opportunity for respite from the challenges of caregiving, and it allows seniors the opportunity to continue to age at home. NightingaleNJ feels really blessed in this county to have that resource in our backyard. And we also feel really blessed to have somebody like Michael Frost, who is leading the charge to improve the health and human services of Somerset County by making them more robust, more accessible, and more relevant to all of the members of this wonderful county that we belong to. So thank you again very much.